Hey everyone, so I have got a really fun video for you today, something super different. I've been seeing those little well, I don't think they're a little roller, but I've been seeing the roller ball nail oil things around, and they retail for about $12 just for the little bottle. And I was really wanting to get them, but I wasn't sure about the scents or anything like that. And I decided, yeah, I have like a ton of these bottles of nail oil. You have no idea. I've got so much nail oil, it's not even funny. So what I did was I went onto Amazon and I found some little rollerball bottles that I like a lot. These ones are really pretty. And so they came with this little piece to remove the rollerball head right here, which comes off really easy. Well, it does really come off easy. There it goes. There. Okay, so that's going to come right off. Well, it came off easy when I took it off before. There we go. So 10 of these little bottles cost me like, I think it was $11. And then I got these cute little gemstone roller balls. This is amethyst, which I was super excited about, and 10 of these were $9. So I thought, okay, this is pretty cool. Let's see. So now, some of them came with a little funnel. Mine did not. Mine did not come with a funnel. It came with this thing. I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to wing it and pour the oil from this half-empty bottle into, I don't know why it keeps getting fuzzy. All right, and I'm just gonna pour it in here. Let's see how that works for me. I think it should be fine. There we go. I mean, I could barely get that little part out anyways. Okay, so now I could go get another bottle of oil and stick it in there. In fact, I probably have got some partial oil bottles laying around, but, you know, I'll deal with that another day. So then I'm just going to stick, I'm just going to stick this on here. I actually really like this oil a lot. This is like my favorite oil, and it doesn't have a scent or anything like that, but it's just, I don't know. It's just, I swear that my nails grow faster when I use this. I don't know if that's true from just, you know, just making it up. And there we go. There, oh my gosh, this is so nice. So now I can just carry this little roller ball thing around with me, and, you know, and this is going to be easy for me just to put my nail oil on rather than having to tip this thing. Actually, pretty soon I probably would have stopped using it and just opened another bottle and waited till that got, and, you know, just like whatever. But this is just more convenient because I don't have to brush it on. So I really like this idea. And I think the other roller balls had something like this keychain attachment, so you can attach it to your keys or whatever, your purse. Actually, I found those too on Amazon and eBay. eBay also has roller bottles, but I think I purchased mine from Amazon. I don't know why. Maybe they were cheaper or something like that, or they were coming faster. I don't know, but I purchased them there. And they did have the keychain things, but they were like a variety of colors, and that's not what I wanted. I really kind of wanted black, but they didn't have the black ones yet. I'm sure they will. However, I just got a new sewing machine, so I can make something. I've seen some little pouches made that you can put your chapstick in and stuff, so I'm gonna actually try that. And when I get those done, I will just show you in one of my videos. I wanted to pop on here really quick to show you a little bit more on this. I've been using it for the last couple of hours, but it doesn't leak, so that's a good thing. And it gets out just the right amount of oil. It's not too much so that it doesn't make your fingers all greasy. So I am really enjoying this. Plus I can just have it next to me on the couch and just, you know, use it whenever I want. So I think I'll actually probably be going through more oil than I normally do because I'll probably be using it way more. Anyways, just wanted to pop in and show you that. See, there's like no greasy residue or anything like that. So I really like this little roller bottle. This is going to be so much fun for me to use and take with me and just always have really handy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you think this is a good idea, if this is something that you're gonna try, something you want to try. I actually even bought, it didn't come in yet, but I bought some grapefruit scented essential oil, so I can put actually a couple drops of grapefruit in here. I'm in a grapefruit phase and I couldn't find grapefruit scented oil anywhere. Actually I did. I found one on Amazon. It was like $7 and it said it smelled like grapefruit, but I don't know what kind of oil it was or anything like that. And then the other one from the company that I was going to buy it from had grapefruit and gardenia, and I really wasn't sure what that was going to smell like. I just really wanted it to smell like grapefruit. So anyways, in another video, I'll let you know how the grapefruit thing went. I figured I will try it out on a little bit of oil in case it doesn't, you know, work well, because I really don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, so let me know if you're going to try this out. Let me know if you think it's a good idea, you know, whatever your thoughts are. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.